These furnaces are made in Mexico by Nortec Global HVAC for R.E. Michel Company, which is a wholesale distributor, but their warranty is not as good as some of the other brands. The brand is only available through dealers in the USA and their network is limited when compared to other brands. The brand features micro-channel coil construction and they use all aluminum coils which resists corrosion. The B6EW models are basic air handlers with a fixed speed blower and a coil that works with their 14-SEER air conditioners as well as electric heat kits in 5, 8, and 10 kW sizes. The B6VMAX models offer variable speed blower motors, TXV refrigerant controls, and heat kits in sizes from 5 to 30 kW. The MB7M models are modular air handlers offering fixed speed, constant torque, or variable speed blower units and electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kW. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.